Welcome back to the Skate a Day Challenge again, besties. I am so glad y'all are hanging in there with me. We're getting to the nitty gritty. We're getting down to all the basic fundamentals so that you can feel comfortable and confident on your roller skates. If you're new here, I'm Shishi, aka Bloom, aka your new skate bestie, here to give you all of those tips so that you can get rolling. Now we're diving really deep into all of the backwards fundamentals. A lot of my besties really want to dive deep into the backwards skating and how to make it smooth and how to make it your own thing, how to get out there and just really shine and have confidence on that rink floor. That's what we're going to talk about today. So far, we've talked about the fundamentals and the basics of backwards, which is backwards bubbles. And then we talked about the march and how to feel comfortable and confident in your stance going backwards while picking your feet up. And next, we talked about how tired we are of doing baby steps, right? We don't want to do baby march steps anymore. We want to get out there. We want to iron all of that out so that we can feel confident and flow and really feel the music and have a great time on our skates. So then we talked about an intro into getting comfortable like that without having to pick up your feet with scissors. And now we're going to take it a step further. We are going to pick up those feet. So if you're afraid, go back a little bit in the challenge, go check out the 1 foot balance drills we've got, all of the backwards drills we've got, and building up that muscle memory and having the correct stance. The next backwards drill I want to talk about is what I call the step back. I don't know if it has another name. If you know that it has more than one name, let me know in the comments. If you've called it something else in your area, please let me know. So the step back is going to require you to have absolute control of your 1 foot balance. All we're doing is picking up our foot and putting it back. And then as soon as we put that foot down, we pick up the other one and put it down. This is a good move that you can also practice off your skates, or you can practice in grass or carpet if you're not comfortable with trying this rolling yet. Boom. This is a great move to practice with music, especially something with a nice steady beat like R&B. And then you'll notice you'll start to get into it. Throw your arms in there, throw a little bit of shoulders. And here's a challenge for all of you that are even bored with that right now. Take this move and double time your steps. Instead of going 1, 2, you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep in mind that when you're doing this move, your feet are actually going to be a little bit angled. They're not going to be straight like this and you're doing this, because then you won't be able to get the momentum to move and you'll actually trip yourself. So we don't want to do that. We want no injuries. I wish I could say we want no falls, but falls are going to happen no matter what. But we want to reduce the amount of injuries as much as we possibly can. So just be mindful of your feet when you're going backwards. And when I step out, it's kind of angled out to the side, not straight in front of me. And the other one is also angled. But you want to make sure that you get a good balance on that other foot before you shift your weight. And to make it fun, make a routine out of it. Do a bubble, and then do a scissor, bring it back, and step, step. The beauty in all of this is that you don't have to do it as a competitive sport. You can do it just for fun, which a lot of us have been doing. And in that, you can create your own style. You don't have to do it like everybody else. You can do it like you, as long as you're being safe and you're not trying to injure yourself. As always, make sure that you practice, practice, practice. The best skaters practice often, and I hate to admit it, but they fall often too. But don't give up. You got this, bestie. Keep going. See you on the skate floor.